Hey, what's up YouTube? Mass Mechanics here. We haven't been posting on the Mustang build for a while because we were waiting to show you guys what was going on with her. But we're finally there. We finally got enough content here to put out in our last final video. So come check it out. What do you think? Alright, well maybe that was our parts car, but it maybe hopefully got your attention if you've been following along. But as you can see, we're getting our hood on for the last time, get that all buttoned up, get it lined up just right, and then this section's over with, and we can move on to getting everything else going. We got the hood lined up, that's no problem, all tightened up. We gotta get the wiper arms on, get the hood vents in, then we can start doing the final detail on this car. We gotta get all the emblems in, get all those snakes on. Then we can start working on doing the headlights, make sure the bumpers are exactly where we want them for good. Just antennas, silly stuff. Now we're heating up the side skirts with the heat light to make them more flexible. Also, we did a quick wet sand before we put the skirts on. The rest of the car is all cut and buffed, ready to go. Looking great. New bumpers front and rear, all shiny and looking good. Now that the side skirts are all warmed up and flexible, we can start getting them on the car. The tape that we have on there is to protect the paint from that exhaust tip. It's lining up pretty good. You can see how much you have to move them around. That's why it's good to have them warm, so you know you can move it and not have to worry about them cracking. These are fiberglass, these ones. Looks about right, all tucked in. Looking pretty good. Now it's about time to start finish mounting them. Made a big metal strip under there, and that's where it's going to clip in on the top, and then underneath we'll bolt it in. There's spots where we're going to put bolts. Alright, you can see we got the headlights in. They work great, no issue. We got the fog lights in the bottom there. That was easy. Got the snake badges on. They're all lined up nice and straight. That's good. Those side skirts went right on. No problem there. You can see the paint on this thing. It's like a mirror. It really came out great. That's the good stuff. We couldn't forget the SVT badge. That's on there. And then we got the wheel wells all done. They came out real nice. Got some nice paint in there. Brakes are all good and ready to go. Underneath the car is looking really good. We didn't really have to touch much under there because, like I said, we built it a long time ago, but the guy's taking great care of it. So you can see that our old stuff we put in is still looking great. We got our side skirt all on and fitting nice, looking good. Just bolts on from the bottom and on the ends. Here's a little more from underneath. You can see the side exhaust, the cutouts. There's the headers. It's all pretty nice and clean under here. Like I said, the car is very well taken care of, which is great. That's why it was worth doing the body all over again and the cage and just doing a little bit to it. This fall, this car will be back on the channel, and you'll be able to see us do another fuel injection. Here's one of the front wheel wells. That was all detailed out too. Came out great. Looking good. Alright, well here's a good side view of it. It's coming along great. We're almost there. We have it up in the air one last time just to make sure everything's good and tight and nothing to worry about. But it looks like it's just about ready to go. Then we decided to put a front splitter on there. It's nothing wild, it's just a nice little touch. It gives that front end a little bit more of a shape, because those are really rounded. I think it looks great. Now that we got it on the ground again, I can show you the stance of it. Nice and straight body lines. Then I'll come down here and we'll take a look and I'll show you the stance. I like it. I think it's nice. We got it dialed in pretty well, I think. Don't want to go too low because then it's going to hit all the potholes up here in New England, so got to be careful of that too. But I think that's where she's going to sit, and I think she's sitting nice. So off to the alignment shop and get straightened out up there and on the road. Alright Alright guys, well there's a good Mustang update for you. I didn't want you guys to think we forgot about you. It's just with owner's being sick right now, it's not really worth chancing anything. So we'll give it a proper send-off once he's feeling better, and then you guys can see it. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. This Mustang build was a lot of fun. Please like and subscribe, and check us out on Instagram or Mass Mechanics.